Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll tap into a different perspective in order to view our challenges as opportunities for growth. Start by finding a comfortable seat. You can choose to sit on a cushion or a chair. Let your spine gently lengthen so that your position is alert and your body remains relaxed. Let your shoulders and arms soften and gently rest your hands on your legs. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Allow your face to soften. Notice if you're holding on to any unnecessary tension in your jaw and mouth, and soften there. Let your eyes and forehead release. Now, turn to your breath. Let your belly relax and expand as you breathe in deeply. And exhale all the way out. Again, inhale all the way, letting your belly expand. And exhale softly. Now take a few more deep belly breaths in your own time. Now, softly return to your natural, easy breath. Let your inhales and exhales rise and fall spontaneously. Simply breathing the way your body wants to breathe in this moment. Now put your judging mind aside and take a few moments to scan through your body. Begin at your feet and slowly make your way up. Remain aware of your breath, and at the same time, observe whatever else is present for you without judgments or labels. You might notice emotions, physical sensations, tension, whatever is there, simply acknowledge its presence without getting involved. If your mind wanders, lovingly guide yourself back to your breath. Notice the natural ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales. And stay open to whatever sensations or feelings are also part of your experience. When discomfort or emotions arise, notice them with curiosity, allowing your experience to be just as it is, and returning to your breath time and time again like a touchstone. Now, gently soften your attention. When we think back on the difficulties or challenges in our lives, our memories can be loaded with emotion. We might look back on a mistake we made and be flooded with guilt or remorse. And though challenging times are inevitable, our meditation practice equips us with the ability to stay centered, to understand and to accept what is happening with more clarity and calmness. We develop ways to stay present, regardless of the nature of the emotion we face. So, as we look back on trying times, we can choose to do so mindfully. We can generate a bit of space so that instead of getting swept up in old emotions or reactions out of habit, we can examine the situation from a different point of view. We can look back through the lens of acceptance. From this new vantage point, we might even give thanks for how much we've grown from our experiences. And rather than being left with regret, our mistakes and challenges become stepping stones along our path. Now, gently turn your attention back to your breath. Notice your body in space. Notice the sounds in the room around you. And slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation, and we'll see you again soon.